Here's a certified 2016 BMW 3 Series. With an intelligent approach to engineering and legendary design, it's no wonder it's the most popular in BMW's lineup. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, driver memory seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Car and Driver writes, so far the engine's willing thrust and the transmission's wieldy flexibility have been a joy to exercise. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. Take it for a test drive today.
At Mini of Allentown, happiness starts here. Call, click, or stop in to find the Mini of your dreams today. We're conveniently located at 4600 Crackersport Road in Allentown.